be a round, thick tortilla. Now we're gonna pinch around, and we're going to add on top devil-style shrimp.
Cooking class here in
As a main
Cozumel.
course, we're gonna cook an iguana.
February 2nd.
I am kidding. We're gonna cook fish fillet, grouper to be specific, mild, not fishy at all kind of fish with salted vegetables in a tamarind sauce. And as a dessert, we're gonna make caramelized plantains and chocolate with tequila sauce. I really hope you like it all because that's all we have. Although I need to know if anybody's allergic to fish. I saw your face when I said it.
I'm not allergic, but I'm not a fan.
Okay, you're not a fan. Okay, one, I'll give you this time. Okay, one, no fish. Anybody else? Two, ribeye, yeah, I wish. Yeah, no. One, two. We're good? No fish. Anybody else? Everybody else is okay with fish. You sure? Last chance, Lisa and Terry. Here we go. Dos iguanas. See? Oh, you heard? Yeah, we're gonna give you chicken. Chicken, okay? You won't even notice the difference, okay? One, chicken, same thing. Same thing. I said same thing. No, chicken. Okay. Anyone allergic to or doesn't eat shrimp? Shrimp? You don't or yes? You don't. Okay, raise your hand, baby. One, two. Okay, dos, tres, no shrimp. You're good. Four, no shrimp. I guess I'm eating shrimp today. Everyone? Lobster? No, man. You know what? You're killing me. Okay, four, no shrimp. I was way. Cuatro sin camarón. Any other choice? Any other allergies? I heard someone no gluten over here. Mary. No, we're not using nuts today. Seeds. No, we're good. No nuts. Oh, yeah. Come on, seriously. Oh my God, that's why you look sad. No, I'm kidding. Okay, but the tequila is optional actually, so don't worry. So one, no gluten. Una sin gluten. Yes, todo. Okay, class.
Are you using mango? Are you using mango?
Tomato? Mango. No, we're not using mango. Unless you order a mango margarita, but not today. Muy bien. Alright, class. So, we're gonna start cooking backwards because we need our dessert cold. We're gonna do first desserts, and while we let it cool off in the fridge, we'll continue with everything else. Are you ready to cook?
Yeah!
Beautiful. At your stations, you have your plantains. I need you to sprinkle sugar.